Okay, so we're going to have a spoon of coffee. And so gusto ko medyo matapang, so dadagdagan ko siya. And then we're going to put hot water. Okay, so dahan-dahan lang. Ito, pinaboil kanina. But then, yun, hinayaan ko lang siyang mag-settle for a while. Ayan, so, nahuhulog yung coffee. Ay, yung, nasasala na siya. Ayan. Para ako nag-pour over, pero walang sukat-sukat at walang weighing scale. Okay, so one more pour. Ayan. I love this. I love the smell. Ayan. Okay, so you see, na ano siya. Ayan. Nasala na. Ayan. Ayan, nasala na siya. And then, tingnan mo yung kape ko. Oh my gosh. I'm loving this. By the way, it's 10 o'clock in the evening. And medyo pagod pa katatapos ko nag-dinner. So, yan. Let's have a coffee. Okay, so let's have a taste test. This one is the coffee. Yeah, sarap. Bale, itong gamit natin ngayon is pure Robusta. And this is coarse grind. So, this is available in 200 gram packaging. So, pwede nyo siyang i-order.